Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Chev B. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So today's video, we are about to install a unit from Wowafrican.com, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got in my package so that you can order it with your wig when you go on the website. So I got a comb, I got a edge brush, a wig cap, and a bunch of other goodies. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package, and this is their Kinky straight bob wig with layers in it. I got this wig in 12 inches and it is 150% density. Now I just wanted to highlight the front of this wig, how it is pre-plucked for you, and the texture. The texture is giving super natural, and if I couldn't tell myself, sis, I would think this was my hair blown out because of how natural the texture is. So as I said, this is a layered wig, so the layers are already created for you in the front to frame your face. So to customize this unit, I'm not going to be plucking because the wig is already plucked, the knots are already bleached. So all I'm going to use is this wax stick and then a hot comb to flatten the front so that it gets a natural flat silk press type of look. Once I'm satisfied with how flat the top is, I'm just going to go in with a flat iron. I'm going to put the link to this flat iron in my description box for you guys. I got it on Amazon so that you can have it. I absolutely love this flat iron and I have had it for years. So all I'm doing is straighten it. I'm not gonna do like a silky straight type of look. As I said, I wanted this to look more like a silk press. This is gonna give me like that everyday type of wig. This wig would be perfect for your job, perfect for errands. It's super easy to style and it's just effortless. Then I'm gonna go in back with my wax stick to help with the flyaways. Make sure everything is neat and together. Now for me personally, I like when my wigs mimic my natural hairline, so I'm just going to do a light plucking just to remove like a few strands of hair in the front so that it has like a super natural look as opposed to a uniformed front. So just lightly, I'm not doing anything too crazy. It's really not that noticeable, but it's just the little things that will take your wig to the next level. Now it is time to install our unit, and I'm just going to take this edge control and then slick my edges back. I won't be using a wig cap to install this wig, and I have been doing that in my last few videos because I've seen like really good results where I don't have to do too much work when it comes to making sure that my lace blends or putting too much makeup on the front to match and blend in. So no wig caps for me. So I'm just aligning the wig and the frontal to make sure that everything's aligned. And I don't pull my wigs too far on my forehead because, yeah, I don't want it to look like a helmet or too weird. I already have a natural hump in my head, so we don't need that to be even super more obvious, if you know what I'm saying. So we're going to put back the hair, and then this is my process of installing my wig. I create 2 slits in the lace, and then I cut around the ear first just to make sure that everything is laying down. And this way I could also wear the wig glueless if I align everything correctly. Now down in my description box below, you guys will see some codes that you could use to get money off your order. So if you use Chev40, you get $40 off your order over $259, and Chev15 for $15 off orders under $259. So make sure you use those codes so you can get money off of your wig. So I just sprayed the 𝐂𝐈𝐿 spray underneath the lace, and then I'm going to pull the lace forward and then use our blow dryer to make sure that is melted. And it was super fast drying, and I love how nicely this lace melts. I didn't experience any shedding with this hair. The hair is super full. For 150% density, the hair was full. I love the texture. It was super soft. The hair was still bouncy, even though it's a kinky straight texture. It was just giving me light. Now to remove our lace, we're just doing a zigzaggedy hand movement as opposed to cutting straight across. And this will help with making the wig look less like a wig. So you don't cut straight across because it's gonna look obvious. So you wanna just, nobody's hairlining is perfect. So you're just gonna try to go up and down with the scissors essentially, just to create an uneven type of look. Then I put a little bit of the 𝐒𝐵𝐼𝑛 on my fingertips, and then I tie the hair down so that it can melt just like this. Now once I've tied down my hair for a bit, the lace, this is what it's looking like. And then I'm gonna go in with some bronzing powder because I am wearing makeup and I'm wearing a lot of bronzer on my forehead. So we need everything to be cohesive and matching. So we're gonna go back in with that bronzer and dab that on the lace. So I'm using bronzer as opposed to a creamy product, because when you use a creamy product like makeup getting onto your lace, it gives a cakey type of look. So your safest bet when putting makeup on your lace is always a powder makeup. And if you make a mistake, you can always take like a wet cloth and just rub it out, as opposed to a creamy product where it's like impossible unless you're gonna take off the wig to remove it. So this is our final look. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. This unit is giving me corporate body type of vibe. Like if you have an office job, like you need this wig because it's giving bossy babe type of vibe. Okay, all the details will be in the description box for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media platforms at 𝐶𝐻, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.